to this course on SharePoint 2016 custom list and its workflow on-premise. This course is designed for those who have basic knowledge on SharePoint, especially on list and workflow. I'm Kamral Chaudhary, your instructor for this course. I have several years of SharePoint design, development and implementation experience, mostly using SharePoint 2013 and 2016, with more than 15 years of software development experience in different platforms. Throughout the course, we will create list columns, implement workflow step by step using the core action, call HTTP web service, how to use workflow variables, building dictionary variables, SharePoint app permissions, use of advanced REST client to view the results, properties, etc. and many more. For this, we will create custom lists on subsites and will implement the workflow for the create and update event of the list. We'll also see how we can loop through each item in a list and then access and modify the fields accordingly. I believe you will find this course very helpful, easy to learn and implement in your work environment. So let's get started.